this has totally transformed everything I did. This was, probably the first farm that I had a face-to-face relationship with the farmer, which then also gave me the confidence and the ability to go out and reach out to other farmers as well.
We know when we're packing something that this is for Bill, and Bill really likes it this way. And so there's a face at the other end of that product. So we're packing it with a lot of pride because we know what his standard is, and so we're living up to that standard.
The really hot question right now about La Farm is, what is the cuisine? I came to this realization, I started saying it's a relationship cuisine. You have modern American, you have French, and you have Spanish, and you have fusion. Mine's a relationship cuisine. My cuisine at my restaurant and me as a chef is based upon the relationships I have with the people who are producing or raising the product that we're using.
Bill shows up here and actually participates. It just makes it so much easier for the farmer when you come and pick up. And yesterday was a great example. You were shopping.
They had everything laid out for me.
I did that.
And I just get to come and take what I want.
It's like restaurant-supported agriculture.
We kind of take inspiration from all over the world in terms of the kind of food we want to do, but what's most important is the ingredients I have.